Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best front license plate is probably one of the most understated yet crucial accessories for your Mercedes-Benz. It's a small detail that can significantly impact your car's overall appearance and compliance with local laws. In this video, we'll explore the best options available, considering factors like durability, design, and ease of installation, to help you choose the perfect front license plate for your luxury vehicle. Number 5. Mercedes-Benz License Plate Mounting Kit. This license plate bracket is designed to fit all Mercedes-Benz models with flat bumpers. It allows you to relocate your license plate to the front bumper, giving your car a cleaner look. This is a great solution for those who want to customize their vehicle. Installation is a breeze with the included hardware. You can easily attach the mounting bracket to your bumper with screws. Then, attach your license plate to the bracket with bolts. Made from premium, heavy-duty plastic, this bracket is rust-proof and corrosion-resistant. The design ensures that the metal license plate doesn't directly touch the car's paint, preventing scratches. The kit includes everything you need for installation: screws, bolts, zip ties, and built-in nuts. It's designed to fit standard US, Canada, and Mexico license plates. Mounted on the middle or center of your front bumper. The bracket's dimensions, 6 by 12 inches, fit standard license plates and won't cover any stickers. The flat shape ensures a secure fit. What we like. This bracket offers a universal fit for various Mercedes-Benz models with flat bumpers, ensuring broad compatibility. The easy two-step installation makes it a breeze to set up, saving you time and effort. If you are looking for a simple and reliable solution for mounting your front license plate, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. Was able to attach this to the front of the car using multiple thick zip ties. Centered it and put it lower on the front and it looks better than where the dealership would have placed it. Fit great in the front of the vehicle. Number 4. IJDMTOY Mercedes License Plate Mount. Tired of the standard license plate placement? This kit from IJDMTOY offers a stylish solution. It repositions the plate for a more aggressive look. This mount is compatible with various Mercedes models, including C-Class, GLK Class, GLC Class, E-Class, and GLE Class. It fits models from 2010 to 2022, ensuring a wide range of vehicles can benefit. The tow bar rod adapter is made with CNC-made T6 billet aluminum. The license plate mounting panel is made of steel. This ensures strength and longevity. Installation is simple and requires no drilling or modifications. Just remove the tow hook cover, screw in the adapter, attach the plate frame, and bolt on your license. The kit features multiple mounting locations to avoid blocking important vehicle components. It also allows for an adjustable angle to better match your bumper's curve. It can also support a camera. What we like. This kit allows for a no-drill installation, preserving your car's original bumper. It repositions the plate off-center, giving your car a more aggressive look. If you want to enhance your car's aesthetics without any modifications, you should consider this. What people say. Easy to install, hardware included, easy to do and a perfect transaction. I added inverted star washers on both sides of the plate holder. This seemed to increase the stability of the mount so the plate would not rotate. I have had it on for a few months and it is still solid in place. Fit my 2022 Mercedes-Benz GLE 350. Did a minor bend on it and the plate to form fit the bumper and no more issue. Number 3. IJDMTOY Mercedes License Plate Mounting Kit. Tired of the factory license plate location? This kit from IJDMTOY offers a stylish solution. It repositions the plate for a more aggressive look, enhancing your car's appearance. This kit is compatible with various Mercedes models, including C-Class, S-Class, ML Class, GLB Class, and CLA Class. It's designed to fit a wide range of Mercedes vehicles from different years. The tow bar rod adapter is made with CNC machine T6 billet aluminum. The license plate mounting panel is made of heavy-duty black powder-coated steel. This ensures superior strength and durability. Installation is straightforward, with no drilling or modifications needed. Simply remove the tow hook cover, screw in the adapter rod, attach the license plate frame, and bolt on your plate. It's that easy. The kit offers multiple mounting locations to avoid blocking vents or sensors. It also allows for an adjustable angle to better fit your bumper's curve. It can also support attaching a camera. What we like. This kit also offers a no-drill installation, making it easy to install. It repositions the plate off-center, giving your car a more aggressive look. If you want to enhance your car's aesthetics without any modifications, you should consider this. What people say. This bike came with everything as advertised. All materials are of fine quality, sturdy, and an awesome addition to my C250. Install was easy, make sure to add thread lock to the bolt screw. Live in Texas and received a warning citation for front plate. This did the job and it looks good. Very secure fitting and stable, great deal. Number 2. TN TRUNKNETS Mercedes Heavy Duty License Plate Frame. Introducing the TN TRUNKNETS Heavy Duty License Plate Frame, designed specifically for Mercedes vehicles. This frame is built to last, offering superior protection for your license plate. Made with a NASA-like rubber material, this frame is incredibly durable and flexible. It's designed to withstand the elements and protect your bumper. This frame is compatible with Mercedes models from 2000 to 2023. It's a perfect fit for a wide range of vehicles, ensuring a secure and stylish look. Every purchase includes 4 mounting screws, making installation quick and easy. You'll have everything you need to get it set up right away. The frame comes in a sleek black color, complementing any Mercedes vehicle. It's a simple yet effective way to enhance the look of your car. What we like. This frame is made of rubber, providing a unique and durable solution. The heavy-duty construction ensures it can withstand various conditions. If you like a flexible and robust option for your front license plate, this is the one for you. What people say. Good quality original product. Made well. Number 1. STO&SHO Front Plate Bracket for Mercedes-AMG. This is the STO&SHO Front License Plate Bracket, designed for Mercedes-AMG models. It's a convenient solution for those who want to avoid drilling into their bumper. Crafted from lightweight aluminum, the bracket is both durable and easy to handle. This ensures it won't add unnecessary weight to your vehicle. The system consists of 2 parts, a front plate and a base plate. This design allows for easy installation and removal. Removing the front plate is a breeze, thanks to the spring-loaded pull pin. Simply pull the pin, and it's off. It's also designed to be used with a GoPro camera mount. This feature allows you to capture your drives with ease. When the front plate is removed, the remaining base plate is virtually undetectable. It maintains the clean look of your vehicle. What we like. This bracket features a quick-release design, allowing you to easily remove the front plate. Made of lightweight aluminum, it adds minimal weight to your car. If you are looking for a bracket that offers both convenience and functionality, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. The plate fit perfectly and was easy to install. The product is well made and durable. The design is sleek and matches the car's aesthetic. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.